Want to explore painting, drawing, sketching, and more? Without breaking the bank, Charming Colors is your answer. At Charming Colors Art School, we cater to your artistic potential. Our flexible monthly subscriptions give you access to a world of creative exploration. From painting and drawing, sketching and color theory, we offer classes for all skill levels and ages. 4.5 to 18 years. You can enjoy these art classes for as long as you want with our subscription plans. Learn from experienced instructors in a supportive, interactive environment. Get personalized feedback to help you refine your skills and express your unique voice. Charming Colors is more than just art classes. It's a community of passionate artists. Make lifelong friendships while you discover your artistic talents. Don't wait. Free art materials are included with your monthly subscription. Book your spot today and unleash your inner artist at Charming Colors Art School is Australia's leading art school for young artists. Charming Colors Art School. Monthly subscriptions. Let loose your creativity. Visit the link below for more information.